I'm Susan Hasoa Sindani, the founder of Project Digital. Project Digital is a program that teaches basic digital literacy skills to kids who are based in rural areas. So today we had a program in Moi Primary, and we are teaching the kids how to the basic anatomy of a computer, like the various parts like monitors and all that, for them to just identify. And then we're also teaching them how to open folders, how to turn on a computer and open a folder and all that. We are also like delving into Microsoft Word, like how can they type in a document, how can they change the format, how can they save it, how can they make it beautiful and all that.
So my name is Eugene Macau. So the program Project Digital is basically impacting digital. For starters, the students are very good and they are like catching what we are telling them like in a very easy way, and they're not finding it hard to navigate through the application like Microsoft Word, you know, and even opening computer, the anatomy of the computer, they are like sharp, getting everything. You feel like you are less prepared, I can say that, as the tutor, because what we anticipated was totally different from what we found, students who are already, into it.
Okay, the goal is to just impart the basic digital literacy skills to kids. Like we noticed like there was a digital divide whereby those in urban centers are exposed to these skills faster because of the available resources, both human and also physical resources. So we noticed that because of this gap, some kids end up not getting the required skills. So as they transcend to the next level, it becomes a problem down the line. So for us, we are planning on bridging that gap. We're planning on bridging that gap where we ensure that kids also in rural areas are exposed to technology and they can handle themselves wherever they are. For now, we are doing 20. For now, we are handling 20, and we're just running a pilot to see how it works and all that. We are planning on, of course, with support, expanding to also other rural areas and all that. But right now we are working with Keses village because it's nearest to us, and yeah.
For example, in the new curriculum, CBC, the grade 5 students are being taught actually Excel. So I find it like applicable for Project Digital, teaching the children of grade 5 and 4 and 5 the technical skills, because they will help them in their new curriculum, because actually you will find it, they will know how to navigate themselves through a computer, to open it, and then they can write a document, for example, to their mom. They can draw something they want to draw. They can email someone. So they can enter data like their names, their age, and everything, the school they are in, the grade they are in. They can also add, subtract, multiply numbers and everything, which is featured in their curriculum. So I feel Project Digital is impacting them in a way that, in line with this century, that they will be prepared for any technological advancement that will come in near future. And also, right?
It's the children. They are so bright. They absorb things so fast. They are eager to learn. It's amazing how kids can pick up things so fast. Like I've taught them one thing and they're already doing 10 things ahead. Like it's their eagerness to learn that makes it worthwhile. The challenges are mostly the funds. Like we cannot extend ourselves because we don't have sufficient funds to cater for most students. Like for example, today the target budget that we were able to raise among ourselves was for only 20 students. But you'll find that there are so many other kids who are eager to learn. They're looking at you with so many, like with very eager eyes. But you cannot involve them because the funds are not enough. Like if we had adequate support, we are planning to even expand the number to 40 per place, 40 per village, or even 100, because the knowledge we are planning to instill on these kids is to enable them to also teach other kids. So we are creating a community of learning. So with proper funds, we could expand the number of kids, and also we could reach other areas that need coverage. Like we could establish boot camps in other rural areas that are far from us, Kitui, all over Kenya, and I believe we'll do the most.